Hello and welcome. This is Angie with the CountryChicCottage.net. So today's video is actually sponsored by Xyron, and we are going to use the Xyron Creative Station to make a fun Halloween project. So I have a free printable on the CountryChicCottage.net for some Halloween potion labels, and we are going to show how to print them, distress them, then run them through the Creative Station to adhere them to our bottles. And we have some really fun shaped bottles for this project, and then you can use them for a Halloween party or some Halloween decor. So for this project we're going to use our Xyron Creative Station. You'll need some distress ink, the free printable that you can find on the CountryChicCottage.net. Look for that, a link for that in the description below. Scissors, and a variety of glass containers. So I'm using these that look like beakers, like science type things, but you can use any kind of jar or glass container that you would like. You want to start by cutting out the labels. So this is just a free printable, and I just printed it on regular copy paper using regular printer settings, so nothing special about this at all. And we just want to continue and cut each one out. And now that you've cut all of your labels out, you can actually add a distressing around the side if you would like. So this is just distress ink, and you can just rub your labels across the ink pad to give them sort of a distressed look. You can do this just on the edges, over the entire label, however you want to do that. And this just gives it a little bit of a distressed look. Now you can do without this portion, so you can just do the printable labels if you want, but I think this adds a little something to the project. And once all of your labels have been distressed, it's time to run them through the Xyron Creative Station. So you just put the labels in one side, face up is fine. And we can actually stick quite a few of these through here at one time, so I'm just going to line them up across the Creative Station. And then we'll just turn the handle, making sure that the Creative Station has grabbed all the labels, and then you'll see them actually come out the other side. And now these actually have adhesive on them, so you can use the cutter that's on the back of the Creative Station to cut them off. And then we can rub across the labels, peel back this clear liner, and now each of these labels is actually a sticker. So we're going to repeat that with all of our labels. Then for each one of these, we'll just want to stick them to our glass containers. So at this point, it's literally a peel and a stick. And we'll repeat this same procedure for all of our labels and containers. So super easy and quick project. Now all that's left to do is to use them for your Halloween party or Halloween decor. So you could fill these up with like different drinks or stuff like that for a Halloween party, or you could put these on your mantle full of different things that maybe looks like crow's feet or something like that. Or you could use these same labels on painted bottles and jars if you didn't want to fill them up. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll break out your Xyron Creative Station to make your own. Or if you don't have one, what are you waiting for? If you want to turn any material into a sticker, this is definitely the product for you. And if you don't want the big ones, so I'm using the largest one here to make smaller sizes, disposable ones, that type of thing. So if you don't want the largest one, then look for the smaller ones as well. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you've loved this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe, as we have crafty videos every week and you don't want to miss any of those. And I will see you all next week with some more crafty fun. Thanks y'all. Bye.